when did diabetes become a part of your life? Like, tell me how like, when did you get diagnosed? Like, when did this all happen?
I was diagnosed around 20, 25 years ago, but I was given no advice. I was given a glucometer and told, that's it, just take your blood sugar and get your A1C done. So I never really knew it was reversible at the time. So that's what inspired me to come to Mastering Diabetes when I heard it can be reversed, and I absolutely believe it. I've done it.
I love it.
So,
I love it.
Yes.
And so then those many years of not getting the support you needed,
Yes.
like, how did you feel? Like, what was going on at that point?
I just took more medication. And when I saw the medication just increasing and increasing, I thought, no, there's got to be a better way. So I went into lifestyle changes. And the doctors, unfortunately, I don't think they believe people will follow lifestyle changes. So I had to find that myself.
I think that's true. Like,
I think
sometimes,
it's true.
like they might even know about it, but they're like, I'm not going to tell my patients because they're probably not going to do it anyway.
Exactly. They must get sick and tired of giving that advice, but nobody follows it.
Sure.
But I am the one that would, and I would like that. So I did have to go searching on my own, and I found it.
What made you decide to come to this retreat?
Oh, I've been here a while, so I figure I know what I'm doing. I do. I think I know all the techniques and everything that is involved with mastering diabetes. But I wanted to come here for a reset. But what it really turned into is changing some of my bad habits that I developed. So I've learned some new things. And even though I thought I was doing good in some of the aspects, maybe I needed a little tweaking.
Yeah.
And I got that tweaking.
What things did you learn?
I learned I had to up the exercise. My little walks, my little 10-minute walks after a meal wasn't good enough. I have to up that to get some more resistance. Longer walks, really take that a little more serious. And I also learned eat more. I was struggling a bit with not getting enough calories, which is something new for me. But eating this way, I wasn't eating enough. So who would think that?
It's amazing that that's a part of healing and getting weight out. It's amazing.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your experience been with the coaching team?
Oh, the coaching team is amazing. There is just no doubts that they really do care. They're invested. They're very invested. And I've just had an amazing experience. I developed a friend, actually. I meet her outside of coaching for lunches, and she is absolutely invested. All of them are. I met them all now. And they're wonderful. They're amazing. Yeah, they really do care.
We're lucky to have them.
Very lucky. Yeah.
Have you seen any changes in your numbers? Like, what's that? Maybe since you started mastering diabetes, like what number of changes have you seen?
Oh, I started out as a 12. My A1C was a 12. And now I hover around in the 6s, but I have gotten it down to A1C of 5.0, 5.2 for an entire year. So I'm convinced. I know it works. You just got to put in the effort. And I have to up my effort. That's what the retreat taught me.
I love it.
Up that effort and then up the rewards.
And it's worth it.
It's worth it. Yeah.
And we have to like navigate this world where it's not supporting us. Like,
yes.
And we have to like create community.
Yes, absolutely. The community is amazing. The people here were so good. And it does make you feel good that you're not alone in all this.
Right.
And the doctor had me cut my blood pressure meds in half. And I had great blood pressure this morning, and I haven't even taken my pill yet. So even she has confidence that I'm going to get off them soon. And I didn't have that hope before. Blood pressure was something, just like diabetes, that you thought you had for life. And you don't have to do that.
Right. Mm-hmm. I mean, that is amazing how, like, 3.5 days,
yes,
4 days, you saw that change.
Yes,
That's
absolutely
really awesome.
Amazing. Yeah, I'm very happy with it.
How has the food been at the retreat?
The food has been amazing and very abundant. Yes, my bowls have been huge. And the thing I noticed about that is when I have a nice big breakfast, it carries me through to lunch. And then lunch carries me through to dinner. Dinner carries me through to the next morning. The meals I have been making maybe weren't as substantial, and they weren't necessarily carrying me. And I was having the extra little snacks here and there. Yeah. So the food has been amazing.
I love that.
Yes.
And we've been eating abundantly earlier in the day.
Yes.
It's huge.
And the mangoes were absolutely like candy. Yeah.
I love it. Now, was there anything at the retreat that like surprised you? Like, oh, I didn't expect this or that? Or...
Almost everything. I kind of came in thinking I knew it all. But no, I was really taught a different lesson that maybe you did know a lot, but you didn't know it all. So I was really open to that, and the coaches were great. The people here, I learned things from the people here. Yeah, it was great.
That in-person experience.
Oh,
I love it so much.
There's nothing like it.
Yeah.
It really is. It's really the jumping board that you need, and it really helps, even if you've been there a while.
What would you say to somebody who's thinking about coming to the retreat?
Oh, absolutely invest in yourself so you don't get the sad diseases that come with the sad diet. It does make a difference. You feel so good in every way. Yeah, I feel perky and I feel happy, and I've lost 2 pounds just in the weekend, so that's good. And I feel stronger already, and I feel I've got some real vibe in my step. Yeah.
What about somebody who's like nervous about doing more exercise? What would you? I mean, you've already had this experience. Like, how would you help them be like, wow, like that's so important?
I was the one that was very nervous about the exercise. Jose, I thought, oh dear, Jose's going to get to me and I won't be able to do it. I'm really not in that great a shape. I was worried about being the one that was going to stand out that couldn't do it. No, Jose was wonderful. Michelle was wonderful. The exercises were extremely doable, even at my level. And I felt good about it. I felt great after doing it. And I'm going to continue that at home. And I learned a lot of exercises. I've already put in and bought the bands and everything. So I'm going to go.
What about the lectures? Did you enjoy the lectures?
Love the lectures. I learned so much. And again, I came in having been with Mastering Diabetes for a while, and I thought I knew quite a bit because I attended all the events and all the lectures, and I watch your YouTube channels, and I still learned so much more about plastics, even like things that weren't involved with diabetes that are still affecting my health. And obviously people here are concerned about their health, and they're going to do things to make their health better. So the lectures were really good. They were so thought out.
Just anything you want to say, anything you want to share with people, they should know this, they should know that, like my experience has taught me this, like anything you want to share, the floor is yours.
My experience has taught me that I'm not the only one out there with this. I can come here and get support, meet new friends, and get a great experience, as well as medically see some improvements that I want to meet. And it really does put some pep in your step to get it done when you get home. Yeah, it's been great.
Amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
You for coming.
If you want results like this,
The day before you came here, you took 20 units of Lantus on Wednesday.
Yes.
Wednesday night. Thursday night at the retreat, you decided not to take the 20 units of Lantus.
Correct.
And what's your fasting this morning?
138.
138.
And it was 180 with the Lantus the day before I came.
So you're becoming more insulin sensitive.
Yes. It's amazing.
This is fantastic.
It is fantastic. Just one evening.
I'd love to invite you to join us at our next in-person retreat. What you just heard isn't rare. It's what happens when you get away for 5 days and go all in with people who've actually built the Mastering Diabetes method, face to face. It's full immersion, 2 workouts a day, 2 lectures a day, every meal made for you, low fat, plant-based, and built to lower your blood sugar in real time. You'll have a one-to-one in-person coach checking your glucose and your progress multiple times a day, so you're never guessing whether it's working. You'll feel it working, just like you just heard. And here's what really makes it different. You're surrounded by people who are walking the exact same path. Type 2, pre-diabetes, type 1, and type 1.5. People who understand what it's like to stare at your blood sugar and feel like your body is working against you. By day 2, you're not just improving your labs, you're building a community that gets it. One that's still going to be there texting you and checking in long after you fly home. And the results speak for themselves. 100% of attendees see a real drop in blood glucose during the retreat. Insulin users cut their usage by an average of 35% in the following weeks. Spots are extremely limited. So if you're ready to get results like the ones you just heard, comment the word retreat below and we'll send you all the details on our next one. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.